Hi there, and welcome to today's guide. In this video, I'll show you how to permanently delete a Google Sheets file on your Android device. Whether you're organizing your files or simply cleaning up clutter, this step-by-step tutorial will walk you through the entire process. Let's get started. First, open the Google Sheets app on your Android device. Next, locate the sheet file you want to delete. Then, tap the three dots next to the file name. After that, select Remove from List. Now confirm by tapping Move to Trash. Once done, tap the three horizontal lines at the top left corner to open the main menu. Then tap on Trash. In the Trash folder, find the file you just sent to trash. Tap the three dots next to it. Finally, select Delete Forever and confirm again by tapping Delete Forever. And that's it, your sheet file is now permanently deleted. If this tutorial helped you, consider subscribing for more helpful tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.